Hey everyone, this is Brian from Spin It Tutorials. This is one we've had a lot of requests for. It's Save Your Tears by The Weeknd. This has been a highly requested song for people to learn how to play on the acoustic guitar, and today I'm here to show you just how to do it. It's really not too hard. Your basic chords, you know, it's not really anything too advanced. A novice to intermediate player could really pull this off very easily. So we can start from that first line. I saw you dancing in a crowded room. Got it? So that would go something like this. It helps if you use only your index finger. If you have long nails, it really helps to get that really clean, like. So you have to keep your finger on the fret to make sure that you, and if you do that, it'll sound a whole lot clearer. That's the THX logo. You can sort of feel out the sounds with your ear, and you can sort of be like, okay, so it's an L. That's just how The Weeknd would do it. It's only for advanced players like me.
Đã trả cho anh nên anh đã không đúng.
So that's how you play Save Your by The Weeknd. If you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them. Just leave a comment down below. Go ahead and subscribe for more tutorials. We'll have a lot more for you in the future, a lot of the new songs.